Coming to you live from Norwood in the Bronx. Goes Bank of America. It's covered up. I know you can hardly tell, but...
Alright, you're not driving tonight? Alright, the mayor says stay home?
Yep, he said stay home.
Alright, take it easy.
Alright, you too. The wind is picking up. You see what it looks like? There's no way I could drive in that. But what I am going to do is I'm going to get the shovel out of the trunk of my car and start at least shoveling the front of the house, because I'm not going to be able to get out. Look at this. A car's coming up. Or is that a plow down there? I don't even know. It's another thing you got to watch out for. These cars, they can't see you just as good as you could see their lights. I don't know if that made any sense, but I think you get what I'm saying. Look at that, a car coming. He's moving too. He is moving in this. There goes my car. It's buried. Can hardly fucking see it in this. But I know it's there. Shit. Look at that. Completely fucking buried. Wow.